Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you how to draw a grid to make symmetrical mandalas. For this we will need a pencil, a compass, a protractor, a ruler, and I'm using an A4 size paper. To begin with, I'm first taking the pencil and the ruler to find the center of the paper. For this I'm first measuring the width of the paper and dividing it into half. I will repeat the step to measure the length of the paper as well and divide it into half. I am now drawing a line through the center point, horizontally and vertically. This will divide the paper into 4 equal parts. Next, I'm taking the protractor and placing the 90-degree mark on the vertical line. Aligning with the center point, I am going to make a mark at every 10 degrees, starting from 0 and going up to 180 degrees on the right side of the horizontal line. Next, aligning the ruler with the first marking at 10 degrees and the center point, I am going to draw a line across the whole paper. I will repeat this step for all of the markings. Now you make sure to always align the degree mark with the center point and take your time while doing this. You don't want to rush this process. When you're done, you will notice that all of these lines have equal distance between them. Next, from the center point, I am putting a mark after every centimeter on just the left side of the center. Taking the compass, I will draw a circle through each of these markings across the whole paper. This will give us a bunch of concentric circles towards the end. Once finished, you will have your grid ready. These little boxes will help you put shapes in a symmetrical way. You can count the boxes for maintaining the same width and height of the shapes, and this is how the grid helps you draw a really clean, symmetrical mandala design. I'll show you how to draw a grid without a protractor with just a compass, a ruler, and a pencil. I am repeating the steps to find the center of the paper and dividing the paper into 4 equal parts. Taking the compass, I will draw a circle of any size. You will see that the circle is already divided into 4 parts. I am naming the intersection points on the circle as A, B, C, and D. Putting the compass on point A and radius more than halfway of the arc between A and B, I am going to make a mark and repeat this from point B. Next, I'll draw a line through the intersecting point from the marks and the center across the circle. I will repeat this step for point B and C as well. Make sure that the radius of the compass is more than halfway of the arc between the 2 points. This divides the circle into 8 equal parts. You can repeat these steps to divide the circle further into 16 or 32 parts as per your requirement. We'll take the ruler again and we'll repeat the steps to make markings on the center line for our concentric circles, like we did before. I am keeping a gap of 1 cm again. Taking the compass, I'm going to draw the circles. And there we have it. Our grid is ready without a protractor. And you can use this grid to draw symmetrical, really clean design. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Let me know what would you like to know next about drawing mandalas. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.